Today we're gonna look at a forward fold. So start in mountain pose, get the weight equally distributed through the center of your heel and the ball mounds of your feet. Start with your hands on your hips, press your fingertips into your hip bones and then draw your shoulders back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hinge at your hips, start to bend forward, find a flat spine. Gently bend the knees and draw the tailbone back as you reach your chest forward. Then allow your belly to spill onto your thighs, release the crown of your head down. Keep this bend in the knees to protect the back. Super important that the neck is relaxed here and that you're just dripping down towards the floor. Now shift the weight forward into the ball mounds of your toes and reach up a little bit through the backs of your legs. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Drop the fingers to the ground. Keep that bend in your knee on an inhale, roll up one vertebra at a time. Forward fold.